Have you ever played The Sims? Now, this is not an actual real scenario, but imagine this. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I like to encourage you to come in, sit with me, like, comment, subscribe, give me a little feedback. You know I'm always open to that. If you are returning, you already know we here, baby. We here, okay? Now, today's video is on, if you haven't watched my video on NFTs and what they are, I would highly recommend, I don't know if the link will be somewhere around here, but go watch that video before watching this one, then come back, talk to me, see what we talking about, okay? Of course, before I get started, I have to say that nothing I say in this video is actual factual. Please use your own discernment. This is merely my opinion and the facts that I have gathered based on research. So let's get into it. All right, so what is the metaverse? Metaverse is when digital meets reality. Have you ever played Fortnite? The Sims, Roblox, Minecraft, IMVU, all of those are other forms of the metaverse. In my opinion, they are 2D versions of metaverse and what we will be able to do. Metaverse will begin shaping the world and how we interact with it. The metaverse will allow us to have access to so many things. It will be a digital marketplace for us to sell things, whether physical or digital. Meta is defined as beyond and also a change in position. Verse is defined as the universe. Now, verse is typically short for universe in this sense. However, it is also a symbol of a fictional world with characters. That's what the Google term for it is. Now, if you watch my previous videos on NFTs and what they are, I spoke to you about how cryptocurrency and Coinbases are the only effective way to basically move with NFTs. So basically, to list an NFT, you have to have some form of Coinbase. To buy an NFT, you have to purchase it with the Coinbase. So how that ties into the metaverse is inside of the metaverse, nothing is bought with cash. There's no form of paper distribution in the metaverse. Everything you have or everything you will get is bought with a cryptocurrency. So if you've seen how the man that owns Amazon, he created like a convenience store where you just go in and pick something up, and as soon as you walk out, it charges your Amazon account. That's basically what will happen in the metaverse. You will have a cryptocurrency base tied to your account or whatever you're dealing with, and that's how you will purchase everything. Now, based on my research, I came across a website called OpenSea. It's a list of NFTs. That's where a lot of them are listed. And there's already metaverses, meta worlds, AIs, avatars. All of that are already being listed and created as NFTs. So basically, if I go and purchase an NFT of an avatar that looks like me or something similar to me or something that I would like to look like, once the metaverse is truly open to any and everyone, I will be able to go into a meta world or a metaverse and start building my world as I see fit. I'll be able to start purchasing items for my home or for me. I'm honestly not sure if that stuff is available right now. I would guess so. Honestly, I don't think it's anything that's not available to us in this world, in today's world, should I say. So basically, like how you can buy things on Fortnite, from skins to the clothes to the characters, that's basically another form of AIs and avatars in the metaverse. Now, this is not an actual real scenario, but imagine this. Okay, so imagine that time that your kid spent $67 on Fortnite buying skins and dances and all this. So imagine he bought a skin for $100, right? And now he exclusively owns that skin. So once he goes into the Fortnite metaverse, he will be the one with that skin. And whether it's on his wall or his clothes or his car, he'll be able to have that sort of fame and clout that comes along with that skin or that design. So in a sense, it's really cool. But really, NFTs and metaverse is a lot of clout. It has to do with a lot of clout. And it showcases, I'm richer than you. In my opinion, that's kind of like what it is. Because for one, the people that are able to access NFTs already have an established, they're already pretty much established within themselves mentally, financially. So it really is a clout thing. And it really holds no value. After you've bought it and after the fame has went down, it doesn't hold really much value. It's really just for clout. So to wrap that up and everything, hopefully I covered a little insight. I know I kind of feel like I just be going on a tangent sometimes and goes all over the place, but hopefully you got a little insight on that. Now, in my opinion, we are years away from being implemented into a full metaverse world and planet. However, everything we do today is shaping tomorrow. So every intent that you have been programming this year, it is going to make up your life for the next 6 to 30 years. That is a whole lifetime. So please be conscious. Please be aware of what you are doing, what you are putting out, what you are researching, what you are aware of. And please get some insight on the metaverse. Me personally, if you know me, you already know how I feel about it. But after doing a lot of research, NFTs and the metaverse is inevitable. And it actually has some cool things to go along with it. So with that being said, hopefully, again, you got a little insight. If you would like to hear more from me, then please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you would like to hear, what you would like to hear me talk about, give my insight on my opinion, and yeah. If you would like a video on my opinion on NFTs and the metaverse, because this was just insight. I know I rambled a little bit. If you would like to hear my opinion, my perspective, let me know. Thank you. And I will see you guys later. Have a beautiful day. Be prosperous. Be amazing. And don't let them little uglies get on your nerves, because they will try. Okay. Love you, beautiful.